Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a review on the GoPro HERO 8. Let's get into it. Here we got the GoPro HERO 8, the GoPro case, and the accessories kit. In the case, we have the GoPro handle stick, a tool that you can put and connect it to the handle stick, the battery, and a sticky thing that you can attach the GoPro to. And then we have the GoPro, and then inside it has a extra battery inside. To get to the battery, you have to open this switch right here, and you just flip it open, and then you just pop it right off. And here's the battery. So it comes with two of these GoPro batteries, and the charger, which is a USB-C power cord. Series kit, we have a bunch of extra tools, and a sticky tool that you could just stick to a wall, a body strap for your wrist. This can go into your bike handlebars. This goes underwater. It comes with a tripod, a bunch of little stuff that I'm not going to go over, but pretty cool overall. It comes with, and let's get into some photos. I'm going to take it to like the woods and just outside and in some dark places to try out all the cool features. So right now I'm just in my room and this is what it looks like. So I have an indoor setting right on and it's on a wide, so things might look a little distorted, but that color, it looks really nice. And this is a homemade setup right now. Right now I'm on photo mode and you can access that by pressing this power switch. So you press the button, you can go from time lapse to video to camera. But I already have some settings set up, so I tap right here. And I have just the normal photo default. I have travel, which I made outdoor, night, trail, live, burst, and burst. So I have a lot already. I think there's a max of 10, but you just make one by pressing plus. Then you can choose all your switches and stuff that you want. So overall, pretty easy and really, really cool. So let's switch to the GoPro and we'll test out the audio and the video. Hey guys, this GoPro is really good. It gets great quality and it did well on all the tests that I did, and expect a lot more from it. But anyways, thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye!